What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Special unboxing for you guys today. The shoe of the holidays, the black and red Jordan 11 is back. So say less or all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. Over time, during the holiday season, the Jordan brand has gone solely to the 11 silhouette in regards to their retro releases for the holidays. And this one, of course, is another follow-up to that as we are in the 2019 holiday season. So the first thing that jumps out to you off the bat is that it goes back to the original box from 1996. So you'll see the retro packaging right there, not like the common retro 11 boxes that are so difficult to open, but whatever, that's neither here nor there. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments of these. So here we have the retro card. You'll see with the black and silver, and of course the Jumpman logo. And Mike was the league MVP, All-Star MVP, and Finals MVP, of course, in the Jordan 11s. And this is also the shoe that the Chicago Bulls played in, or excuse me, Michael Jordan played in when the Chicago Bulls went 72-10. Hence why there's a 72-10 retro 11, or Jordan 11, excuse me, not a retro. Here we have the upper, which mirrors the remastered versions of the recently released retro 11. So like I said, the Concorde and or the Space Jam, which has the higher cut, which mirrors the original 1996 release. So has the higher cut there. We have the, of course, classic retro 11 logo right in the middle of the tongue area. Standard black rope lacing. Patent leather, of course, throughout the entire upper. We have the white midsole, which is hit with the red outsole, red translucent outsole with the black detailing in the forefoot and also in the heel. We have the Jumpman logo right there in the middle. As we transition to the back, no pull tab, but the 23 is still right there in the middle. As we get to the insole, the one thing that does remain is the hard plastic inserts that come in the retro 11 styles. So I'll throw that to the side. And another cool detail is that it features the Nike Air logo on the insole, which you guys can see right there. And the right foot pretty much mirrors the left. I didn't call out, of course, the classic Jumpman logo, which is bared on the outer panel of the shoe. But right foot pretty much mirrors the left, and this is the 2019 version of the Bred 11. Please let me know in the comments which year is your favorite. If we're talking OG, of course that's 96. First two retros coming in 2001, and 2008 retro came in the Countdown Pack, the famous Countdown Pack, which featured the retro 11 and the Taxi 12, and of course the 2012 version, and now the 2019. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Right hand, I got the 2012 retro, and of course I have the 2019 in my right, and you'll see these are actually pretty similar in regards to the look. The remastered 2019 version has the slightly higher cut, as the slightly lower cut is featured on the 2012 edition. I don't know, I kind of like the 2012. 2012 feels good, but the 2019 is just, it's still always classic, and you can't ever go wrong with the black and red 11 or a Bred 11. So yeah, I don't know, I just can't really say it that much. But we have both of these along with multiple other Bred styles right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Please make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and make sure you do not forget to follow at Stadium Women on Instagram for some dope content. And last but not least, if you have any questions regarding anything Jordan, anything Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco VK, and salud.